How to know Telegram user phone number. Hi everybody, if you want to view someone's phone number on Telegram, these are the methods you can follow up in order to do so. So for that, you can open up your Telegram first, and once you are under the chat section, you can go ahead and select the user of which you want to view the phone number. Or you can also use the search bar at the top right corner of the screen in order to search for the user. Once you found the user, what you need to do is head over to the chats and tap on their name at the top. Once you do that, their info page appears. So under this info section, you can easily find a mobile number that they have used in order to create their account. So you can just go ahead and locate their number like this on Telegram. So that is how you basically know someone's phone number on Telegram, following up those methods. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.